Hi students, in this model we are going to discuss the patent filing strategies. How to file a patent application. Documents can be filed in the patent office through online or e-filing, through post, or it can be submitted by hand. Documents required for filing of a patent application in India: covering letter indicating the list of documents, application for grant of patent in Form 1, complete or provisional specification in Form 2, statement and undertaking in Form 3, power of attorney in Form 26, declaration of inventorship in Form 5, statutory fees either check in the form of DDA. Patent filing specifications, provisional specification and complete specification. Provisional specifications are for ideas and concepts only. They usually file to establish priority of the invention. No patent is granted on the basis of a provisional specification. Complete specification. This is a document containing all the details of the invention. Complete specification must be filed within 12 months from the date of filing of provisional patent application. Contents of specification. Title of the invention, field of the invention, background of the invention, object of the invention, summary of the invention, brief description of drawings if any, detailed description, examples, claims. They are not required in provisional specification, but it must be required for complete specification. Abstract, not required in provisional, but required for complete patent application. Compared with the provisional, the complete specification shall contain the full description of the invention and its operation, the best method of making the invention. It ends with the claim or claims, which are the most important component in the complete patent specification. It is the legal operative part which define and determine the legal protection sought for. It must be accompanied by an abstract to provide technical information on the invention. Patent filing fee for natural person, startups, small entities, or educational institution is 1600 rupees. For each sheet of specification in addition to 30 number, that is 160 rupees. For each claim in addition to 10, for each claim 320 rupees. For others, for each sheet of specification in addition to 30 number, it is 800 rupees. For each claim in addition to 30, it is 1600 rupees. Patent filing fee for patent application, physical filing. For natural persons or startups or small entities or educational institution, it is 1750 rupees. For others, it is 8800 rupees. For each sheet of specification in addition to 30 number, it is 180 rupees. For each claim in addition to 10 number, it is 350 rupees. For others, for each sheet of specification in addition to 30, it is 880 rupees. For each claim in addition to 10 number, it is 1750 rupees. Once the patent application filed, it published automatically in the office journal after expiry of 18 months from the filing date. Publication is nothing but world is informed about the fact that a patent can be expected on that particular invention. Someone using the invention could then switch to a different technology or make reservations to pay for a license once the patent is granted. That is the application part of publication. As we see, our own patent application will be published automatically after 18 months from the filing date. But if you want to publish your patent application before 18 months, then you can file a request for early publication in form number 9. The application will be published in 1 month from the date of such request. The patent office fee for early publication for natural persons or startups or small entities or educational institution is 2500 rupees. For others, it is 12,500 rupees. So if you file your request for early publication with the patent office fees, then the patent office will publish your patent application within 1 month from the date of filing of request. What is the importance of publication? On and from the date of publication of the application for patent and until the date of grant of a patent in respect of such application, the applicant shall have the like privileges and rights as if a patent for the invention has been granted on the date of publication of the application. The applicant shall not be entitled to institute any proceedings for infringement until the patent has been granted. Pre-grant opposition, it is similar to third parties review in US and Europe. Upon publication, but before the grant of patent, any person based on different grounds may file a pre-grant opposition in writing, represents by way of opposition to the controller against the grant of patent. However, the opposition will be taken by the patent office only after the filing of request for examination. So any time after publication of your patent application, you may get opposition from the third parties saying that your patent application should not be granted on the basis of patentability criteria. Request for examination. If there is no request, no grant. In Form 18, we can file our request for examination. It must be filed within the period of 48 months from the date of filing or priority. The patent office fee for filing request for examination of application for patent is for natural persons or startups or small entities or educational institution is 4,000 rupees. For others, it is 20,000 rupees. Once we file the request for examination, patent office will take your patent application for examination. After proper examination of patent application on the criteria of novelty, inventive step and industrial application, the patent examiner will issue a first examination report if they have any objections. Once received the first examination report, applicant can file the response and they can file the reply to overcome the objections raised by the examiner. They can amend the claims. Once your response has been accepted by the controller, then they will grant the application. On the grant of the patent, the application will be accorded a number called serial number in the series of numbers, 6-digit numbers assigned to a issued patent. Post-grant opposition. Upon grant of patent, any interested person based on different grounds may file a post-grant opposition in Form 7 to the controller against the grant of patent. The time limit is any person can file a post-grant opposition within 1 year after the grant of a patent. To keep a patent in force, the renewal fees shall be payable at the expiration of the second year from the date of the patent or of any succeeding year, and the same shall be remitted to the patent office before the expiration of the second or the succeeding year. So we need to pay renewal fee every year till the expiry of the patent. Hi aspirants, we have discussed the patent filing procedure in India briefly in part 1 and part 2. I hope definitely it will be helpful when you file your patent application in India. Thank you so much. Wish you good luck.